Hello, my name is Richard. I'm a sewer sleuth. Today my property address 11361 Southwest Aventine Circle in Portland, Oregon. I'm located near the front foundation. 3-inch ABS two-way clean out. This is going to be my point of access. I'm going to advance out and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. We currently have the kitchen sink water running. Should be a fairly long run here. There was a repair done in recent years. There was a belly underneath the asphalt here, probably about 30 feet up, 40 feet up from here, so we'll just make sure that that's draining out properly. A little bit of standing water here. Pretty significant amount of standing water here holding the pipe. So I'll come back to this area. This is definitely a concern. Looks like it's going to pop out, possibly. There it is. So there is a belly in the line. As it's working its way towards the driveway, we'll come back to that area. I'm going to continue on. Okay, more standing water and debris. Appears there's still some grade issues and some settling in the pipe. Maybe that's some toilet paper. I'm going to push that out. But it's definitely getting hung up in the standing water and creating more pooling in the line. I'm going to shove out and we'll flush the toilet a couple times and see how good the stronger the flow is, and then we'll give an opportunity for everything to drain, come back to that area and take a look at it a little closer. But I'm just going to try to get out. Okay, it's going underwater again, just a little bit. Looks like that's a minimal amount of standing water. And try to get all the way to the main. Okay, we're 141 feet. I'm going to try to get all the way if I possibly can. I do hear some swishing around with standing water as I'm pushing the cable. Okay, I'm 149 feet. I'm going to stop the camera there. Unable to advance just because of the distance here. But we're going to flush a toilet a couple times and see how the flow is all the way out, and then pull back to those areas of concern with standing water. Okay, we have one more flush on its way, and then I'm going to start pulling back the camera. Okay, I'm going to slowly start pulling back as the toilet flush is on its way here. And then I'm going to let everything drain out and come back to those areas, see how much standing water is still in the pipe. Okay, so we've had 3 flushes that are on its way, and you'll be able to see from 145 feet out that the water is still trickling. It's not rising. There's not a lot of strong momentum coming through there because it's hitting those pockets of standing water due to the distance. The house sits down on this lot, and it's a very long run, so it's going to be tricky to actually get enough fall and grade. See, there's the toilet flush, which usually goes over the camera head, even at this far of distance, if it's got good slope and grade. So it's functioning, but it's still got pockets of standing water along the way. So I'll pull back to those areas, and if they get submerged over the camera, then I'm going to do locates. I've asked the homeowner no more water running, so this is just what's left from the toilet tank. It should be continuing to drain. We have no more activity coming through. So far, the camera hasn't gotten submerged over the top of it and, debris stirring around. So far, all this pulling back, the last 30, 40 feet looks good. It's got proper slope and grade. That's still a minimal amount right here. I believe the area where it's got bellies in the line are more up towards the house leading to the driveway. Okay, we're 65 feet, so we're working our way closer to the house. I believe within the next 20 feet or so is where we saw some pretty significant standing water. We'll see if it's drained out or if it's still holding quite a bit of standing water and debris. So far it's looking good. Okay, so this is definitely bellied out. You can see all the debris. This is going to slow down the momentum, and the line's not going to drain very well. I'm not sure. I'm going to confirm if this is at the same area where the repair was done. If so, then that repair has failed, and it's lost its slope and grade after they backfilled and put asphalt over it. So it's about a 10-foot section of belly there. I'm going to stop the video and locate that.